Hi, I'm Travis Cox, a recent graduate from Lincoln Tech in East Windsor. Came to Lincoln Tech because I got out of the Navy and went through a couple small jobs. Didn't really work out, kept bouncing and decided to go to school. Well, here I am, a year and a half, almost 2 years later, 15 months of school, and working for FedEx Freight. Originally from Kansas, bounced around with the Navy, went to South Carolina for 6 months, Virginia for 6 years, and was here in Connecticut for about 2.5 years. 15 minutes after I had sent in the application for information for Lincoln Tech, they called me. And a week later, I was in school, ready to go, and it was really fast. The expedience with which they replied, the willingness to help, the want to have me here as well. It was also big because they were big on their veterans, always have been, is to my knowledge, and they've made that very apparent with everything that they've done from the time of me getting here to the time of me graduating. Lincoln Tech gave me the knowledge that led me towards being able to work for my career. It gave me the cutting edge of being able to step into that industry and saying, hey, look, this is what I know, this is what I can do. And this brought me to my current career. They've helped me with the GI Bill. I was new to it, knew that it existed, had never used it before, and the financial services was great. They started me off. They made everything smooth and kept it easy. Career Services was great. They had multiple presentations throughout the year, or throughout my time here, all 15 months, multiple career fairs, and I actually got to help with the last one, but the Career Services showed me the different places that I could go, and my current job with FedEx Freight was one of the presentations that came in, and I couldn't thank them enough, honestly. Other vets, I would say, don't wait. If you have the want to learn, come here. If you want to do diesel, collision, automotive, electrical, any program they have here, even CNC, HVAC, you name it, Lincoln's got it. It might not be in East Windsor, but they've got it somewhere. Take that jump. Lincoln Tech makes the GI Bill smooth and easy. GI Bill's not always fast, but Lincoln Tech makes it easy.